So, when you turn on your PC for a task, say I have to sit for school, I have at least 4 apps that I have to open and it takes time to open the apps one by one. In today's video, I will show you a trick that can save you some time. So, firstly, open up Notepad. Type in @echo off. What this does is, it turns off all the comments. Now, get into the next line and type in start. Now, leave a space and open and close double quotes. Again leave a space and open double quotes. Now type in the name of the app that you want to open in the search bar. Right click on the app and select open file location. Here you see a shortcut. Right click on it and again click on open file location. A file will be selected. This is the thing we want. Copy the path of the file by clicking on the box and copying the text. Now head back to the notepad and paste the text. Add a backslash and type in the exact name of the app that was selected. Here in my case it is BlueJ with a capital B and capital J. Add .exe because it's an application and close the double quotes. I'll give another example. Type in start, leave space, open and close double quotes, again leave a space, open double quotes, right click on the app, select open file location, right click on the shortcut, again open file location and copy the path. Now paste the path on Notepad. Now add a backslash and type in the exact name of the file that was selected. Here it's Spotify with a capital S. And add a .exe extension and close the double quote. You can also open websites in the same way. Replace the website's link with the app's path. Copy the link and paste it. Finally, type exit. What this does is, it closes the command prompt window. Now click on Save As and type in the name that you want. This step is important. Add a .bat extension. .bat stands for a batch file. You can click on Save and close Notepad. You can now open the program and save time. Please consider subscribing if you found this helpful. Also feel free to use the comment section if you face any issues. I will include the code in the description so you can just copy paste.